Hello folks, and welcome back to another episode of Ugly Dog Lures. For my walleye guys, we're going to start that series tonight. I got some really deep diving, they call it a minnow, but this is what we're going to start painting for some walleye. So going to be doing something a little bit different. You know, y'all might have seen them. Y'all are better walleye fishermen than me. But we're going to start with a pink tourmaline. Going to be using some opaque black from Createx and a Deco Art bright yellow. So how about we just jump in here and get started. So our first color we're going to be using is going to be our pink tourmaline. So it's a pretty bright color. It's pretty. I hope everybody's week went well. Ours has been okay. So busy week. Been getting quite a few lures in this week too, so that's always nice. So if some of you walleye guys, will you let me know if y'all actually will fish vibrating blade baits, because I ordered some just to paint and play around with. Will y'all fish those? If y'all will, I'll paint them. So just a vibrating blade bait. So, cool. Let me know. Leave it in the comments below, and we'll find us some different styles of walleye lures to paint. So let's just jump in here and go to blowing our pink tourmaline on. Okay, pink tourmaline, here we go. Lay some pretty thin. She's getting pink there now, folks.
Turn that down a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to let that dry up really good for a few minutes, and we'll be back to take this bait off and to finish it up. Alrighty folks, we're back and we're working on our walleye lure here. So we got our opaque black. We're going to take and turn that lure away from us. We're going to start painting that head black. Black head. Yeah, I'm gonna stick a little bit more on him here. That's gonna be all of that for the black, for the opaque. So let's clean our brush, and we'll heat set that good and pull our tape off, and then we'll keep on and finish this bait up. Okay. Right there. This one. Right here. I'll probably have to touch some pink up. Didn't let it quite dry long enough, but that's okay. Geez. You should buy cheaper tape, Melissa. Okay. Got our pink bait, our black head. And we still got steps to go, folks, so we're not even very close to being finished with that. We're going to touch that little bit of tourmaline up right quick. I didn't quite let that dry long enough. Ain't nobody's fault but my own there. That's certainly a different little paint job there. Okay, our next color we're going to be running with is going to be our bright yellow. And all that we're going to do with it
So that little brush we used.
is hit that little bitty tiny brush. And I just want to kind of come about center. And I just want to spot this bait. That's totally up to you. Now you see them darker. So we're going to heat set those. And
Okay.
do the other side of this bait. Oh. We'll just jump over here on this other side now. Honey. I think they look okay. Yellow.
Yeah, they do.
I think I like the smaller pink one better, but I don't have any that small. Probably we can untape the bill. Now we got our eyes on there. Throw some epoxy on it.
So 3 years later, because that bill is so big.
Okay, let's epoxy. I just want to dive down there pretty good, folks. That's a good looking little bait.
It is.
Certainly different than what I usually do. I guess you just got to broaden your horizons a little bit, don't you? So this bait probably going 1-in-1 we can get away with. We're going to find out. Come on. Run down. Temperature's dropping fast here, folks. I came in from work, it was about 60 degrees, and now it's probably about 35. Do you want glitter in it or not?
Ooh,
You need to call that right now before I get much further.
Pink glitter would be pretty. I believe so.
That's the wrong color. No, I don't like that.
There's a light pink in the big bottle.
There you go.
Ooh.
Hold that and look at it. There you go, folks. That's pretty gorgeous bait. Howdy, folks. We're back and got our first walleye design all finished up. This is what I came up with. It's a black and a tourmaline pink and a bright yellow dot. You walleye guys tell me if I'm on the right path with this now. So I got a lot of crazy stuff going through my head for really bright looking baits. Remember, like, subscribe, and share to my channel. You folks have a blessed week, and I'll catch you later.